Guys, all my plans, man, were killed. Or rained out. I think it finally stopped raining. So yeah, and my little Honda Rebel, we're gonna get you running someday, honey. I'm still working on the harness. I gotta put quick disconnects for the turn signals, and then we're going to give this a shot. And I'm going to also get a new shut-off switch over there. That may have been what the problem was the whole time. I might have a faulty shut-off switch. So yeah, anyway, I was going to go to a car show last night, Friday night. Rained out. It's been raining. It actually, right now, it finally stopped. So let me show you what I've been doing to keep myself busy here, guys. I made myself, man, 2 little accessory bags, and then you can see under there, there's also a matching square fork bag. These are tied on with my lace, and for that one there, I made a strap. I had to rivet the belt buckle on. So it's a set. They all 3 match. Now, I didn't make those. The strap that goes on the bag there, I made the strap. I got those off of a backpack I had. I think I showed you guys the backpack in one of my videos. My backpack had those 3 pockets, and that one there was in the center. So all I did is I cut them off the backpack. They're leather. They are leather. You know, so I have a matching set on there. I mean, on this, I can use all the storage I can get my hands on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my insurance papers and my registration in one of these, and the other one can hold like maybe another pair of gloves or a pair of sunglasses. You know, and I'll have that. Right now that's empty. I could put some more tools in there, you know, so I can have enough tools. I can have tools in that one and that one. Maybe I have enough room now for a tire repair kit. I could put a tire repair kit in that, which I still have to buy. So we'll have our tool bag down there. Maybe we'll put the tire repair kit in there, put a pair of sunglasses in there, and the registration and insurance papers will go in there. And then we'll have that for like when we go pick up maybe a bottle of milk or a couple hoagies from Subway. So yeah, we have a matching set, guys. That's a matching set on that guy there. Now those little round hickeys I made to cover the nuts, when I was walking by this, I bumped them, and I just shot it right off. I put it back on, and you know, I figure, you know what, they're going to just come off, so I took them off. Yeah, and I'm real happy with those. You know, you can put these anywhere. All you do is I burned 4 holes in the back. I mean, you can put them on the sides. You can put them on your handlebars. But I think they look real good there. They're symmetrical. You know. Yeah, let's get one more shot. I can't do nothing more on this, guys. I also made new covers for my shifter and my my brake lever. Those are new. Those are brand new. I tried making them to match these. I fired the edges like I did with these, and they didn't come out like that. But see, since these have the singular border, I made a singular border on there too. So it's hard to see without the light. Yeah, that's what I think I'm going to put in here. I'm going to put, I'm proud of this strap. I made the strap. Because the backpack had 2 straps on there, so I cut the strap off. And then I cut the buckle off. And then I had a heck of a time figuring out how to put the buckle back on, so I got the buckle on. And I have a rivet set. I riveted the buckle on. I bought a rivet set a long time ago when I used to buy stuff off of Tandy Leather. Because I used to make my own belts, you know, and my own cigarette holder, lighter holder. I was always into leather, guys, so I'm real proud of this belt right here. But yeah, we're gonna put. I'm gonna put a tire repair kit in there, and if these move, I don't think these are gonna move from the wind. If they move, what I'll do is I'll put a piece of double-sided tape behind there, but I don't think they're gonna move. I think they're on there. And I hated to cut my backpack up. Well, I have 3 backpacks, but, you know, I've been thinking of doing this for weeks. And I don't really need the extra backpack. I need room on the bike for stuff like this. I need more storage, so they match. I got a matching set on there. I'm happy with them. So, all right, guys. I also bought tire beads. They should be in them around Wednesday. When they come in, or balancing beads. When they come in, I'm going to show you, I bought enough for the front wheel and the back wheel. And I'm going to show you how they go in. I have a real slick way of putting them in. So, you know, I thought my focus was out. But I think it was just my eyes, because I didn't have my glasses on. So, okay, guys. See, I think it looks pretty good like that. Now, once winter comes along, what I'll do is I'll wipe those down with acetone to get the super sheen off of those 3, and then we'll stain them so then they'll be the dark cherry color, like the saddlebag. That'll give me something to do for this winter. For now, I'm going to leave them like that. I mean, although they do match the grips. You know, that's the color of the grips. But, you know, this winter I'm not going to have nothing to do. I'm going to have to keep myself busy. So we'll restain those this winter. So I think we got enough leather on there now, guys. Probably have maybe, that's probably the La Rosa bag and those 3 things there if you were to buy them. And the fort guard, that's probably maybe $200-300 in leather on there right now. So yeah, all my plans are canceled. I was going to go for a ride. So you've seen the streets are soaked. I don't know when they're going to dry out. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. Maybe I'll take this out on. I am charging a GoPro up, so maybe we'll get it out on Sunday.